Welcome to the Nyss admin user manual for Telerivet. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to set up and maintain Telerivet Android SMS gateway, which allows Nyss to send and receive automated messages. We'll go through everything you need, from installation, setup, and configuration, to tips for ensuring a stable connection and a long-term reliability. Let's get started. Telerivet plays a vital role in how Nyss collects and manages field data through SMS. Volunteers or data collectors can send messages even in areas without reliable internet access. It is important that data collectors are sending correct coded text messages because only then will Nyss send the correct feedback message. These messages are sent to a dedicated gateway Android phone running the Telerivet Gateway app. The gateway phone receives the message and Telerivet automatically uploads it to the Nyss database over the internet. Once received, the message is processed by the Nyss system and a supervisor can review it within the application. The data collector also receives automatic feedback by SMS, for example, confirmation that their report was received or information about any errors in their submission. In short, Telerivet allows Nyss to function even in low connectivity environments by turning a simple Android phone into a powerful communication gateway. Before we begin, make sure you have the following items ready: an Android smartphone or tablet, not an iPhone or iPad, with a functioning SIM card, preferably a postpaid SIM card, that can send and receive SMS messages. A stable internet connection, preferably both Wi-Fi and mobile data enabled for backup. Access to Telerivet project code, which you'll receive from Nyss admin. Once you have all of these ready, you can move on to installing the Telerivet Gateway app. On your Android smartphone, open the Google Play Store. To use the Google Play Store, you will need to have a Google account. In the search bar, type Telerivet Gateway and tap Search. The first result should be the official Telerivet Gateway app by Telerivet Inc. Tap Install and wait for the download to complete. Once installed, open the app and allow all required permissions, such as access to SMS, phone state, and background operation. These permissions are absolutely necessary for Telerivet to send, receive, and forward messages to Nyss automatically. After opening the app for the first time, you will see a welcome screen. On the next screen, tap Log into existing account. No need to fill out the email address and the password because we're clicking on the Enter Project Code button. Then enter the project code, which should be a combination of numbers that will be provided by a Nyss administrator. Then, enter the phone number associated with the SIM card in this device you're using, including the correct international dialing code. Make sure to include the correct country code, for example 254 for Kenya or 47 for Norway, depending of course on your region. This number will serve as the SMS gateway number, the one field volunteers will send messages to. Before you continue, you'll see an option that says Ignore incoming calls. We highly recommend turning this option on. This ensures that incoming calls do not interrupt the SMS gateway process, keeping your system stable and uninterrupted. Once that's done, tap Continue to finalize your login. After logging in successfully, the app will synchronize with your project and register the phone as a gateway device. Within a few seconds, you should see a message at the top of the screen that says Gateway Running. This means that your phone is now fully connected and ready to send and receive SMS messages through Telerivet. You can now leave the app running in the background because it will continue working automatically. Once your Telerivet Gateway is active, it's very important to keep it in a good working condition. The gateway relies on your phone's power and internet connection to send messages. Here are some best practices. Keep the phone charged at all times. It's recommended to keep it plugged into a power source permanently if possible. Ensure stable internet connectivity. The phone should stay connected to Wi-Fi and mobile data simultaneously. Following these practices ensures smooth and reliable message delivery through Nyss. In some cases, especially for larger projects with many data collectors sending reports at the same time, your Telerivet gateway may need to handle hundreds or even thousands of messages each hour. By default, Android limits how many SMS messages each app can send, typically 60 messages per hour on new Android versions. To overcome this limitation, Telerivet provides SMS expansion packs, which are small add-on apps that increase the sending rate limit. Each expansion pack allows a Telerivet gateway app to send approximately 60 additional messages every hour. Installing all packs allows the phone to send up to 1,800 SMS messages per hour, depending on your device and mobile network performance. On older Android phones, you only need to install about 17 packs to reach the same limit. These expansion packs are completely free to install and only need to be set up once. To install these packs, open the Telerivet Gateway app on your Android phone. Then tap Increase SMS Rate Limit. You will see a list of expansion packs available for download. There are 29 packs in total. To start the installation of an expansion pack, you will need to click on the expansion pack you want to install. We need to install them one by one, so we should go in order. Start from expansion pack 1. After clicking on the expansion pack, you will be sent outside the Telerivet application. Here we need to tap the button Click to start download. When this button is clicked, we might see a security warning, but it is fully safe to download, so we should tap the Download Anyway button. It is also possible that after you click Download Anyway, you see this screen. In this case, we should click on Settings. This will then open your phone's settings and show you this screen. Here we will need to turn on the unknown sources and click OK after. We're almost done. All we need to do now is click on Install and wait for the installation. However, we might have another security warning pop up. If you see this while the installation is still going on, don't worry. Click on More Details and then click on Install Anyway. That should resolve this final issue. When the installation is done, we will see another request from Telerivet to allow permissions regarding the sending and viewing of SMS messages. It is important to click on Allow here. Then, we should see the confirmation that the app has been installed, and here we can click on Open or Done, and the installation should be complete. We should now see the expansion pack has been installed in the Telerivet Gateway app. Without these expansion packs, Android may display a warning message like, "A large number of SMS messages is being sent." This happens when the system's limit is reached. Installing these SMS expansion packs prevents this interruption and allows your gateway to handle high message volumes automatically, ensuring smooth data collection during busy reporting periods. Another important consideration is the SIM card used for your gateway phone. While prepaid SIM cards can work, they often have limited credit, which may cause sending failures when the balance runs out. We therefore recommend using a postpaid SIM card, which ensures continuous service without interruption. Always monitor the SIM card's credit or billing status to prevent any message failures. Once everything is configured, the SMS gateway operates automatically. It is not linked to any supervisor or manager's personal phone. Instead, it functions as an independent communication channel, connecting the Nyss system to your users via SMS. There is no need for manual intervention. All messages are managed by the Nyss backend and sent automatically through the Telerivet gateway. If at any point the gateway stops running or messages are not being sent, check that the phone is still showing gateway running. Verify that your internet connection is still active. Make sure the SIM card has credit or an active subscription. Restart the Telerivet app or the phone if needed. If the gateway phone is restarted, in case of anything like an Android update or etc., you should run Telerivet Gateway app again, because it will not run automatically on your Android device. Usually, these simple steps solve most issues immediately. Let's quickly recap what we have covered. Install the Telerivet Gateway app on your Android Gateway phone. Log in using the project code provided by your admin. Ensure the gateway shows running. Install SMS expansion packs. Keep the phone charged and connected to the internet. Use a reliable SIM card, preferably postpaid. Following these steps ensures your Nyss system communicates seamlessly through Telerivet. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the setup of the Telerivet SMS gateway for Nyss. If you need any additional help or run into setup issues, please reach out to your system administrator or the Nyss support team. Thank you for watching and for helping ensure reliable communication through the Nyss platform.